Travel back to the second half of the 19th century, where a series of inventions is about to change how people live, work, travel, and communicate. Age of Inventors is a worker placement, action selection, tile placement, Eurogame. During the game, you will choose one of the asymmetrical laboratories and you will select the equipment to upgrade it. You will have the chance to hire inventors and scientists such as Einstein, Marie Curie, Edison, or Tesla and use their unique skills. Use your lab switches to select your actions, while at the same time, place your lab assistants to gather scientific resources, ideas, or funds. Conceive inventions, each with a unique bonus, and assign them to an inventor. Increase humanity's progress in the industrial, economic, and academic fields. Undertake experiments. Collect breakthrough tokens. Increase your position in ingenuity and take advantage of breaking news events. Age of Inventors, live on Kickstarter.
It'll definitely be risky. The resources are out there. We just need to find them. I guess you're right. I'm always right. Okay, let's get started.
Terraforming Mars, the dice game, is a fast-paced engine-building game for 1 to 4 players, where you undergo new projects for your terraforming corporation. Your goal? To terraform the planet by growing greenery, building cities, and expanding oceans, and even increasing the oxygen levels and temperature of the planet. The new resource dice introduce an element of random chance. With each roll of the die, you have the chance to acquire common, uncommon, or rare resources. On each of your turns, you can manipulate the dice you've rolled, spend resources to build projects, or take actions that will strengthen your infrastructure. Each turn you come closer to achieving milestones and earning end-of-game awards that match the resources you utilize. Place cities, greenery and special tiles strategically on the board to help life flourish and gain powerful rewards. As you progress through the game, gain access to bonus cards to further your advantage. Featuring all new components, including the game board, tile components, 60 custom dice, and over 150 cards with original artwork from the beloved Terraforming Mars. When 2 of the 3 terraforming metrics have been completed, the player with the highest terraforming rating wins. Bend the odds, gather your resources, build a sustainable infrastructure, and make Mars habitable by backing Terraforming Mars, the dice game, today.
This is actually a D20 dice. This is FlipDie, an immersive take on polyhedral dice like you've never seen before. A full 7 die set for gaming that you flip like coins. My name is Tanner, and I love bringing people together. And nothing brings people together better than gaming, and that's why I've made it my career. So at Yara Studios, I only invent stuff that I want to have at my table. Things that I wish existed, and I'm very excited to show you my favorite thing yet. This is actually a D12, one of 7 in the first coin dice set from Yara Studios. Flip it like you would a regular coin. Slopes and slanted angles guide a ball bearing to a random number generated every time. We want to launch this idea as a full 7 die set, creating everything you need for any game. We have a D4 called the Dwarven Farron, a D6 from the Lands Between Hell, a D8 Goonie from the Pirate Horde of Krell, a D10 from the Spider Queen's personal collection, a percentile D10 from the Vampire Kingdom of Blackfell, a Thesian D12 with looks that can kill, and a dual-plated D20 from the Capital, depicting a gold dragon and its defeat on the other side. Because precision and randomness are so important to us, each coin is molded in a zinc alloy and has a machine-tooled interior. Bright colored enamel is added to each coin to make the numbers pop, and a colored steel ball is sonic welded inside to make sure you can quickly read the number flipped just as fast as regular dice. These coins are extremely durable and should last millions of flips.
All things grow, bloom, burst into life, then die, that the land may be reborn anew. Such has been the way of Kaan, from age to age, from generation to generation. Now once again, the deep roots of the Tree of Ancients sense a change coming upon Kaan. The Cartusal Empire emerged from its capital, Eosophia, and brought a glorious age of order and prosperity. Yet it also became a city of secrets, skullduggery, and ruthless ambition. The Emperor has done great deeds, but he will not rest, not until all of Ayana bends the knee. Now I fear every passing day brings doom closer to our forest. I beseech you, send the bravest champions of the forest to the city of Eosophia with utmost secrecy. The fate of Kaan lies in your hands.
Welcome to Fateforge, Chronicles of Kaan. You are a group of heroes making their way through Eosophia on a quest to find Nask and foil the Emperor's plans. Set up a combat in 5 minutes. You must work together if you want to survive. Plan your actions with your teammates. Charge in and unleash the perfect combo of deadly moves. You can sneak past enemies, collect valuable loot, and backflip to safety. But not everything will go according to plan. Some enemies might surprise you. You'll need to adapt. Protect your friends by using actions and skills wisely, and pursue your objective. Navigate through more than 35 hours of intense combat and branching story, where your choices determine the fate of Kaan. Are you brave enough? Join the adventure today. Now on Kickstarter.